Right, video of the day is bridge inspection, and we've got the team here, Jack and Harry and Buddy. We're going down to see the bridge, look at the finished article. Jack's driving the Land Rover down. We're also armed with a fart gun, and we'll see why we're armed with a fart gun when we get down there. What do you think of the fart gun, Bud? Everyone in their life should have a fart gun. Right, let's go.
Right, let's go.
Ooh, well, it was a quick pit stop. We did a bit of ratting in there, didn't we, Bud? Bud's all hyper now. We've just been in the maze clamp. He saw one rat, didn't he?
But he
didn't get it. Too big, fast for you, wasn't it, Bud? Right, let's get in the Land Rover and Jack's going to drive. Woo! You're getting quite good at this driving like now, aren't you?
Right, let Buddy off yourself in there.
I'll just, do you want, well, I'll put him in. Right. You've got, it's going to be a bit cramped in here, isn't it?
Wait.
Don't you? Right. You ready, Jack?
You have to remember.
Have you got it in neutral? Just give it a...
No, this is...
That's the wrong way round.
Turn this around.
Anyway, look. If you're not careful, you're driving along and that'll come off in your hand. Oops. Don't want that coming off, really, do you?
Is that a neutral?
Don't want your knob coming off, Jack, do you?
Yeah, hold down this.
Right.
Start the engine.
Yeah.
So I start the engine, then hold this down.
Yeah. Well, when you put it into gear, start it up.
So if I don't have to do anything when I start it?
No, it's fine. Just should be in neutral. All right. Now you know you've got to put your. Hang on. Take the handbrake off at the end. Put your foot down the clutch and put it into first. You're just about torn up. That's it. Now that's it. Gradually lift your foot back up off the accelerator.
Right. Put this down.
That's fine. Yeah. Put that down just as you take your foot off the clutch. All right. It's not easy because see what I mean. Right. Okay. Put it down and go. Come on. Right, a bit of acceleration, not too much. That's perfect. That's just right. Concentration on this boy's face.
And we're off.
And we're off. How are we doing? Well, you haven't been in with him when he's been driving, have you?
No, he has.
Has he?
We have. Once.
Oh, a long time ago. Right. You're heading over there.
Ducks on the park. Ducks on the... No.
Concentrate where you're looking.
I know where I'm going.
You don't want to crash. You do you? Where are we going?
Automatic.
Not a good idea.
Automatic.
Automatic crash.
No.
Don't get too cocky with your driving when you learn. Good. At least you got a whole field that you can't hit anything. Right, you need to sort of turn it out that way to loop back around the door. Gate. Gates shut. You're gonna have to stop where the gates are and let you through. All right.
Fine.
All right. You've got to open all the gates all the way down. And give it some welly when we get to the ground, all right?
Okay.
All right, I'll open the gate and let you through. Drive on, drive! Wait for me! Wait for your dad! Oh my God.
Jack, we've got a dog in here!
You've got a dog, a child.
He's loving it!
Oh, look at that. Oh my life. Second gear, Jack. You got too many revs, give it second gear. Put your foot on the clutch when you change gear. Foot on the clutch.
Woo! Jesus! Oh, I thought you were
That might be fourth gear actually.
Oh no! Oh no!
That's quite fast.
God help
Slow
me!
down,
Slow down! Slow down!
Slow down.
Oh my God! I've got my foot not on anything.
Right, put your foot on the clutch a minute and put it into, make sure it's in second, I think. Whoa! Yeah, you had it in fourth gear, that's really fast. Right, put it in first. First is straight down.
Is it first now?
That's in first now, you can go steady. Go steady through this gate.
Steady.
Right? We're nearly at the bridge now.
Steady.
We are doing bridge inspection. And we've got a little competition. We're going to go and see what we finished, because you didn't see the slab on in the last video the other day. So we're going to go and look at this. I got a dog tail just here.
Hang on.
We're going to go and see the slab.
Fine.
And the finished job.
Right.
You might have seen some photos of it, but you haven't seen the actual finish. And we got a competition as well.
Hang on. What if Buddy wants to run all the way back to the farm?
He won't. He wants to be down here.
Are you sure?
Are you going to put him on the lead here? I think I'm worried about losing him. Yeah. Okay. Right, just pull in. Just pull in round. Just don't take it steady. Not too fast. Steady. Into neutral.
And
Right, put your front clutch, put it into neutral. That's it. That's it. Well, take a while for Jack to get used to this vehicle, but we're doing all right. Right, everybody out, including Bud.
No, buddy, that's the wrong way.
Got my fart gun. Let's go and have a look at the bridge. Here we go then, right. So, when you saw it the other day, I hadn't put the slab on. Now what I've done is I've concreted the slab in here, put the rest of the sort of hardcore dirt over the top. We'll have a look down here, look. Bud's inspecting. So, oh, he's straight under.
Oh no, just let him off.
Oh my goodness.
I just let him off.
Hello, Bud. So here we are. I've put my name on the bridge here, look.
You originally put 2020.
Oh, cool, and it's 2022. I did put 2020 there by mistake. But look, if I was going to criticise my work, I'd say I hadn't cleaned the joints out very well. I just brushed them off, and the cement was a bit wet there.
It's narrow, isn't it?
It is narrow. It is narrow, Harry. Are you going to fit through there?
Oh yeah. Buddy, come here. I see the lasagna tray.
Well, look, if you look, you can see
It's just about.
it's a little
there.
bit untidy on the pointing, but I think you'll forgive me for that because this is a good solid structure.
No, don't let him off.
Oh, buddy, you're going to stay on the lead because we might lose him otherwise. Right. So, competition time. Do you think, Harry, is he taking you for a walk?
Harry, just go out there with him and see. That's what I mean.
I don't think you should let him off because I think we'll just lose him.
We won't lose him.
Not today.
Ow.
I don't want that sort of day. Right, let's get up here.
Come here.
We might have to put him in the Land Rover if he's too hyper. He's a bit excited, isn't he? I think I'm worried if we let him go here, we would just lose him. Right, do you think you can get underneath all the way under here?
Yes.
Do you
Sorry.
do you think you can get under there?
Yes. Yeah.
Right, okay, so we're doing a competition on this.
Harry's going first.
Who's going first?
I will.
Right, competition is, we'll put the dog in the Land Rover a minute, because he's going to be a bit wound up. Competition is, so I built this thing, it's a little tunnel and it's dry at the moment. In the winter there's no chance of going through it. What we're going to do is we're going to time how long it takes someone to crawl through the tunnel, get to this side and release the fart gun. Who do you think is going to win?
More narrow down that end.
It's very narrow, isn't it? Yeah. Who's going to get, how do you think you'll beat
Harry
Harry?
doesn't win then.
Harry's just loading Buddy up into the...
No, I bet you Buddy's going to look for the window straight away.
He won't because you can't get through the window.
Buddy's going to look through.
That'll be alright. Good work. There you go, Bud can look through the window. He'll probably start yapping in a minute. Alright, we won't be long. Right, okay. Right, who's going first?
Harry.
Right, hang on, let me just put this
Why
down.
can't I go last?
Well, it doesn't matter who, don't mean me. Right, so let me tell you what you got to do. I'm going to get my watch out.
Right.
You want a protective helmet on. Put the Funky Farmer hat on.
Protected.
Well, it's better than
Don't worry,
scrapping.
I've got a perfect skull.
Watch you don't bash your head on the roof.
Or the
Right.
lasagna tray.
Yeah.
Is it
Right.
like that now?
Okay. Right, let me just get out my timer. Oh, there's all these messages coming through.
Gee.
Harry, you stand down the bottom. What you got to do is get all the way through there.
Oh no.
Can you do it?
That's tight.
I know.
When
Cli-
you didn't have the wall here, it looks better.
I know.
On the steering wheel.
Climb up. Climb up.
Ready?
Go all the way through. Come out the other side. Now be careful because there's some thorns and stuff in the wire.
Barbed wire.
Come up through here, run across and press the fart gun.
Like
All right?
It depends on how narrow this end is. It's like half.
Yeah, I know when you finish, when the fart gun goes off, all right?
a little buddy head.
Are you ready?
No.
On your
Oh,
marks.
I don't like this. It's so
On your marks.
Get set.
Go.
Ow! I hit my head already. Ow! There's cobwebs. Ow! Ow! I've hit my arm.
Oh, you'll be fine. Are you out the other side yet?
There's a barbed wire bit.
Where are you? Come on. 16 seconds. 16 seconds. 19 seconds. I think we call that 19 seconds.
I reckon I can win.
Are you alright, Harry?
I hit my arm and
Oh, let's reset.
I'm
Right.
going to go for it.
You're going to go down there.
Run
You're going to beat 19 seconds. Oh my god, you get all dirty, man. There's a big pile of dirt in the middle I didn't pull out.
Yeah, that's
Right.
the bit that slows you down.
Yeah.
I hit my head on the lasagna tray.
Right, you reckon you can do
Oh
it?
no! I see what you mean by all this.
19 seconds.
I'm not beating 19 seconds.
You beat 19 seconds? Come on. I'm going to beat 19
Yeah,
seconds.
you go
I
then,
am.
Dad. You go, Dad.
No, I go last.
Come on, Jack, we're doing it
Ready?
in size order.
I'm
Just say there's a load of barbed
Hang
wire
on,
in the
hang on.
floor.
Did you get in the tunnel before?
Say
You got to
go,
start on
then.
the outside. Watch your head on the thing as you
Say
go in.
go.
On your marks, get set,
Go.
go. Oh, that's pretty quick. That's pretty quick. Pretty quick. Oh my God, 9 seconds.
Oh, my head.
Hazza. What's going on?
Oh, my
I
head.
was, I was
9.6.
on my
Do you
knees.
think
my
I
head.
can beat that?
Oh,
Did you bang your
He
head?
was on his knees.
That's why I'm wearing a funky farmer hat when I
oh,
do
I hit
it.
my head about
No, you're
3
not.
times.
I am. I want that. It's my crash helmet.
No,
Come on.
fine.
Right. Ow.
Not in this.
Don't damage the merch.
you say
It's
no?
brand new.
It's so
Right.
easy.
Let's put this on. Look,
Can I redo it? I
you can have a second go. 'cause
Yes,
you,
yes,
all right.
yes.
What now?
No, let that go.
All right. Let's see if I can beat both of you. Right. Reset. Reset. Oh, hang on. What am I doing?
Got my arms on the
Okay. You're gonna have a second go.
Now,
Because Jack, you were the demo. That was a demo. Go on. Off you go.
Look at my knees.
Dad, you're first.
Look at my knees.
You're first.
I told you it's dirty. All right.
I
Am I
didn't go
doing it?
on my
Am I?
knees.
Who's doing camcorder?
Very well.
Jack will, because I've got
Well,
the
someone
timer.
you do the camcordering. All right.
Da, da.
Oh my life. I got to beat 9 seconds. That is fast.
You're not doing that.
Oh my God. And I'm bigger than you. I'm bigger.
Taller.
All right. Are you ready?
Hang on, hang on,
I
hang
don't
on.
know whether I can even
Wait,
do it.
wait.
When I
Wait.
built this, I wasn't planning to do this. Are you ready?
Hang on.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, Jesus. Oh,
Hey!
You've done
Are
my
you
son.
stuck? There's barbed wire there.
it's a lot narrower.
14 seconds.
Barbed wire.
19 seconds. 24 seconds.
24 seconds. I'm old. 24 seconds.
Buddy's in the window.
Oh, is he? Well, Buddy was doing about 3 seconds. Right. Is anyone else?
Harry's having another chance, he said.
All
I
right.
cut my arms on
Don't
the barbed
matter.
wire.
Don't worry about
So
it.
you're having a rematch. I don't think anyone can beat your time, to be honest. Hang on.
Wait, hang on. Let me look again.
So you reckon you can do this
I
quicker?
need something. Like,
All right.
I need better protection.
There you
Well, do
go.
you want the helmet on?
Yeah.
Got my coat.
I know.
The,
I
the
need,
only thing is
I need a
put
coat.
that on
and-
backwards to front because the I couldn't see out properly because
He
of
wants
the.
my coat as well.
Do you want to
Hang
tighten?
on.
We need to adjust it
This
first.
is massive. You adjust that. I'll put the coat.
Oh, right.
That's not going to fit
Hold
you.
that.
That's going to slow you down even more.
All right.
It will stop me from cutting myself.
Look at the size of it on him.
This is
Hey.
a protective. Right. Oh, I don't know how to
I'm
adjust
ready.
this. Oh, here we go.
But he's watching me.
myself.
He's my support. At least he was watching me.
Here you are, Harry. Right.
Oh, some good as well.
Yeah. All right.
Can I have it? I
Hang on.
can't beat.
Right. Here's your protective gear. Put that on. Put the thing on the other way round so that
It's
that's it.
massive.
I know. Well, it's fine. Are you ready?
No.
This is health and safety gear. Oh, hang on. I haven't got
It's
them.
not very health and safety.
No, we don't do health and safety on here. Hang on, I haven't started the thing. Hang on your marks.
Wait. There's loads of stones and I'm wearing shorts.
Well, I did warn you about this.
Is
You didn't
Dad
there
say
was
that you need to wear a top and shorts?
Yeah.
Hang on.
Did you listen to any advice I gave you?
No.
No. Right, are you ready?
Wait, let me clear
Oh.
this for you.
Do you know what? I could have built this bridge quicker than it's taken Harry to
It
prepare
took you
for
2
this.
days.
It took me 2 days to rebuild this, and a few days either side. Right, are you ready?
No.
Come on, right, this last chance. On your marks, get set, go. Out of the way. Oh, that's pretty quick, actually. Oh my God, 8.62, Harry.
I'm going again though.
Do you want another go
Yeah,
to
I'm
see him beat that?
No. No.
Oh! Come on, let's see if you can beat 8.62. That's very fast. What was my time? About 24 seconds, wasn't it? 8.62. All right. You're never going to beat 8.62. You're never going to beat 8.62. You want to turn it around the other way because that you can't. When your head's down, you can't
No,
see.
you shouldn't give him those tips.
Well, that's what I found when I was
Oh,
wearing it.
I'll
I
have the
couldn't
timer.
see where I was going.
I'll have the time.
All right. All right. I'm going to get down here so I can look through from this side.
Ready? Now take it down, Dad. You'll block me.
I won't block you.
Yes, you will. I'll be 3 seconds.
You won't be. All right.
You ready?
Okay.
2, 1,
Go.
go.
Oh, come on.
We've already started.
I wasn't ready.
Oh.
Right.
Are we ready now?
Are you ready now?
Wait, he's already in the tunnel.
No.
Yeah, I think you should be in the tunnel.
Get out
I'm
of
not
the
in the
tunnel.
tunnel.
Come on.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, you're fast. Oh, what was that?
9 seconds.
No, but you done a second delay on it.
I think we call that a draw.
Harry, I saw you what you done. I spotted it.
I think we call that a draw. You're both pretty fast.
I done
What's
it.
the merch? That's my new hat.
I done it, and then it took a minute. He looked at his clock afterwards and then stopped it.
So I can have my phone back. Well done, boys. You've done us proud.
My
We
leg.
better go see Budster. You get stung by stinging nettles?
Yes.
Have a look.
When I was
You'll
running.
survive. Anyway, what do you think of the workmanship on this bridge?
Terrible.
Thank you.
Not narrow enough.
Not narrow
No,
enough.
too
What
narrow,
you,
sorry.
you're talking rubbish, aren't you?
I know.
Too narrow, it's fine. You only need the tractor's width. Filthy.
How did Harry just...
Brilliant.
Harry, how did you not get muddy?
You had a second go while I was taking that photograph.
Third.
Third go. Harry, what's up with you now? How bad is that? We need to find a dock leaf.
Well, they're on, aren't
I can't see any
I bet
dock.
there is some out in that field.
Probably. Let me go and find you some dock leaves. We better go and see the dog in a minute. He's not happy. Oh, plenty of dogs out here. Yeah, loads of them, and he's spraying off. Here we are. The dock leaves are a bit. Oh, there's a big one, big juicy one there. Looks like the caterpillars have had a go at it. Yeah, Harry. That's not a dock. That's the plantain, I think. Right, here's dock leaves. Put those
Are you
on.
sure it's not a dock leaf?
That's definitely not a dock. Right, should we go back to see Buddy? Come on. Good work, boys. Good work, Dad, for doing a brilliant job on the bridge. Thank you, son. What?
Welcome.
It's wet.
Well, it would be, wouldn't it? Right, about dog treats and the fart gun. I'll bring those then. From the Minions movie, this, isn't it?
Yeah, the front of it snapped off.
What do you mean the front of it? When did you break that?
I don't know.
How long ago?
I think it was when it was in the car we took on holiday to Gareth.
Oh, God. Damage. This is my birthday present,
The
wasn't
new
it?
Minions film is out right now.
Yeah, you're going to go and see that?
I'm watching it on Sunday with my
Are you?
mates.
Oh, good. Yeah. Oh, what have you done? You just sat on the fart gun. Oh,
Me and Dad were just talking about how he's broken.
oh, Jesus, it's properly broken. Well, someone sat on my fart gun. Pull the trigger. Look,
It works.
I'm going to have to glue that up. Oh, flipping heck. And my fart gun's broken.
Well, you could have said it was
Buddy,
there.
the fart gun's gutted. Look at that.
Oh no!
Oh, super glue to the
Buddy.
rescue. Look, I can't believe I got a wonky fart gun.
Well, it's not even
Oh,
working.
Jesus.
Sleep.
Look. It's only a matter of time for these wires snap. I've got to get it back in one piece. Right, head off, boss.
Look at those.
Thanks for watching. I hope you. This was just a bit of fun on a Sunday. We were just coming down to see the bridge being rebuilt, but this is just. I thought we'd just make it a bit of fun. You've seen the slab on now. Harry's damaged. Look at that. He's got stung by a nettle. My fart gun's broken. Buddy is absolutely hyper. Jack's about to crash the Land Rover.
No, I'm not.
It's a super duper Sunday. Crack on, everyone. Have a good one. All right, cheers.
Bye.
It's quite hot out there.
In here.